Meaning of Essex girl.
Essex girl.
Essex girl.
Essex girl.
Essex girl. Essex girl is a term used in the UK to refer to a particular stereotype of young women from the county of Essex, located northeast of London. The term is often associated with working-class background, promiscuity, and a lack of education or intelligence. The media has perpetuated this negative image of Essex girls through various TV shows and tabloid headlines. However, many people from Essex have spoken out against the stereotype, arguing that it is unfair and does not represent the reality of their community.